Hello, this is Matthew Kern speaking, and this is Pianogram. Pianogram is a platform for users to come and share, like, comment, and add their own videos. Um, and just filling that gap between your Instagrams, or if you just it was just for photos and videos of just pretty much anything. This is really a platform for those artists who want to put out their work, and for people who like music and like seeing different artists who aren't necessarily mainstream and are trying to get out there and get their name for themselves. So here's the homepage. Uh, as you can see, this is my index where I have all of my videos posted. I've added a few of my own, just I've seeded a few of my own just for show. You can go into any one of these videos. As you can see, add a comment, create it. It adds it right there. I can edit this comment. Alright, it updates it. Anytime I could delete it. It's gone. Same thing with the video. Edit. Um, let's just say. Actually, let me show you that. Let me show you this feature by adding a new one. So this button allows you to add a new video. All you need is a title. Let's just say Hotline Bling. I go to my YouTube channel, and this is a very important step. So, in right now my app I'm using iframe tags, and the iframe setup doesn't for the source. It doesn't use the web address URL. It uses this share embedded address. This is very key because without this address here with embedded inside of the address, it will not work. So let's just grab that and take a step back, paste that right into there, and create. And it adds it to the bottom of my list. There it is. If I want to go inside of here and I want to edit it, let's just say piano tutorial. Because I'm creating. I want to create a community of artists who want to help other artists. So we could post your own piano tutorials or anything what have you. Add a comment. All right, there we go. And only thing else about the page that I have is the About page. Pianogram is the platform where artists and music lovers can come and discuss, share, and promote their inner Kanyes. My links don't really work yet. That's one feature that I'm going to go back to. Also, while I'm on that note, I want to go back and add users. So, give them the ability to sign up, log in, and have their own profile where they can view videos that they've posted, and then be able to view videos that are like all users have posted on the homepage. All right, let's get into some of the code. So for this setup, for this Rails app, I have two models that I'm using. One for video and one for comment. As you can see, video has many comments, and comments. Each comment belongs to a video. My controller and the index is is that first land page that you saw where it pulls all of the videos in my database that I've already preceded. In here. Um, let's go back to that video controller. And so in each individual, whenever I click on the video in itself, it just gives me the video. It's coming from the show definition. And creating a new one triggers the create, um, excuse me, triggers the create um, the definition, and just everything in here pretty much straightforward. Uh, in the comments, though, however, you'll notice that I don't have an index for a comment. Then that's done on purpose because a comment is going to live in the show page of the video itself. So that's shown right here in comments, posting that directly to the show page, giving it its own, it's living inside of the video. Because in my routes, I've nested those comments inside of videos. So videos are going to have many comments. All right. A little bit of the CSS. I actually had to create a static page for my about section, which is in my public folder. That was tricky because the browser or no, rather I should say, static pages don't render embedded Ruby code, so I had to strip my HTML of all of the embedded Ruby. So here I had to add href, a tags, and there's no yield where I will be inputting any data. I have to do it all. I have to hard code it all myself, and that was the one hurdle that I had to get over. As well as for the CSS, so it doesn't render some of the CSS features. So I have a SCSS file for my Ruby, as you can see right here. The regular HTML does not render that, and the reason why I use SCSS is because within that I have more functionality. I added an image URL versus in a regular CSS file, it's just a regular URL. Um, that's done on purpose. I think that about just about wraps it up. Thanks, guys, and enjoy.